at the same time, I have that feeling it's gonna be a very hot day today here in Kyiv, Ukraine. I'm gonna kind of use today. I thought I was gonna go around exploring, do all that kind of stuff, but I think I'm gonna use today as like a catch-up day. I'm really behind in a lot of stuff, so I think I was walking around a little bit this morning, but I think I'm gonna go find a nice cafe, work. So today's vlog, the video seems a little boring. It's because I'm doing a lot of stuff that makes this whole thing between me and you, which makes it possible. Between you and I makes it possible. But yeah, okay. Okay, so this is like probably 4 or 5 hours later. Left one of my favorite coffee places right there. Now heading, I don't know. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain. But then again, honestly, rain or not, I'm happy to be in Ukraine. I really enjoyed yesterday. And by the way, it kind of brings me up to yesterday because I was with some people and they kind of gave me a little, not tour of Ukraine, so to speak, but they kind of showed me some of the important buildings. And I remember just standing outside the White House, or what Ukraine has, where the president lives, and thinking that my mind is like, there's gonna be like tanks, it's gonna be crazy, like soldiers everywhere. It was literally one of the most peaceful places in the city. I mean, and it's crazy because people say like Ukraine is so dangerous. This is literally like the White House equivalent of like what we have in America. This is like the president's where he lived. And by the way, I totally forgot to ask you guys. So I've changed up. I'm not using my main vlogging camera at the moment. I'm not using my main vlogging camera at the moment. I've switched to the GoPro. It's just more stable, and I wanted to be able to interact more with people. And I find that when I have my big camera, it's kind of super crazy attention getting, which is, I already get enough attention as it is, and kind of interacting with people makes it a little, interacting with people makes things a little bit, it's not the same than having this little camera. So what do you guys think about the quality, the sound? What do you guys think about this one? I'm leaving hoping I can get home before it starts raining. Or not home, but back to the hostel before it starts raining. Check this out. There's literally nobody in here right now. And like I always tell you guys, I think like a couple videos ago, like hostel paradise is that you want to hope for two things when you go to a hostel. First of all, well, you want it to be a nice hostel and secure lockers, all that kind of stuff. But you have two different scenarios that are great. Let's get good lighting. First of all is that there are awesome people there from everywhere in the world and you connect and it's fun. Or you kind of have the whole place to yourself. Those are kind of like the two best kind of scenarios. And kind of no one's here, so I think I'm gonna just take advantage of it. Maybe not go straight out running around, just maybe chill here for a bit and It's a couple hours later. I'm just leaving the hostel, just kind of enjoying the afternoon. But one thing I can tell you about here in Kyiv is there is so many cafes. It's incredible. One guy in my hostel, funny enough, he's from Latvia, where I was a few days ago, in case you guys have missed the vlog. And he's like a coffee, he loves coffee and brews coffee and has a shop and all that kind of stuff. And he came here to test coffee, and he said he was even impressed with how many coffee places there were and how good the coffee was. I'm not going for coffee now. But just to let you guys know, if you are a coffee lover, Kyiv is like a paradise for you guys. prices. This was around 5, 6. This was like 7 euros, something like that. Finally here to one of my new favorite places. I didn't film coming in here. I will next time. I'll show you guys where it is, but check out how cool this place is. You guys can see it's like super nice. It's on top of the building in the center, and even when you come up here, you think like a place like this in France, everything is, the prices are super crazy. For example, coffee, where I've been to in France, places like this, I've paid 15 euros for a little coffee. Champagne, I don't remember, maybe 20 euros, something like that. Here the coffee's maybe 2 euros. Champagne, everyone's having champagne. It's kind of like a champagne place. It's really chill and beautiful. So when I tell people that the prices of things here in Ukraine, they're like totally shocked. It's like, it's not that it's bad quality. It's low prices and still great quality. So definitely a place, I'm telling you, every day that I'm here, I would try to give you guys one little reason why you should come here and why what you've heard about it isn't true. Because yes, things are cheap, but things are super nice, super high quality. Yeah, another reason why I love this place. But I'm gonna enjoy the coffee here and relax, and I guess maybe end the vlog, well, maybe spin to a better place to end the vlog than here. Having a smoothie and runners going by reminds me I need to start getting back in shape. But I kind of feel like maybe right here is a decent place to end the vlog. Green smoothie, I found my place. I finally found my place in the same places where I have the great view and the coffee. So on that note, gonna enjoy this, enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you guys for joining me along these kind of chill kind of days. I'm beginning to like them, as crazy as things get. But one, thank you guys so much for watching. We finished it here in the metro where I always am all the time, which is, I told you guys, if you guys didn't watch the last time here in Ukraine, it's probably one of my, I mean, it's not my favorite place here, but it's a place that I'm always hanging out in the undergrounds, because it's air conditioned, it's cool, chill, and you got everything you need. But I guess I'll end it right here, telling you guys thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to all of you guys later. Please keep your questions, comments, everything coming, and I'll talk to you guys all soon. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.